everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we're going to talk about a new Net 30 account for a new business that reports to Equifax Business. If you're looking to get credit for your business and you're looking to build up your credit report with Equifax Business, then this is the video for you. So let's get started. So let's talk about, for if those of you new to the channel, what is a Net 30 account? In short, easiest terms, it's when a business, supplier, or vendor or company extends credit terms to you up to a certain credit limit, and you're able to buy their products and or services without payment up front, and they defer that payment for up to 30 days. Sometimes you'll hear the term net 60, net 90, so that basically means your repayment terms. So this particular video, we're talking about a vendor that extends net 30 terms. So that means you can buy their products and services and then repay it in 30 days. Okay, so now why is this so popular when we're talking about building business credit? For business owners like yourself, if you're looking to build up your company's credit report with Equifax Business, there's Dun & Bradstreet, there's Experian Commercial. So there's three major business credit reporting agencies. There's more than that, but those are the three major ones. This particular vendor reports to Equifax Business. So what do you actually need before you start getting business credit in your company's name? Sure, you could get business credit as a sole proprietorship, but when we're talking about creating your credit file and creating that separation between you and your company, that's where you want to set up a separate legal entity like a corporation or a limited liability company, etc. You also want to get your EIN number, your employer identification number. That's for tax filing purposes, but that's the number that's going to be used to create your credit file. So when you apply for credits, they're going to ask for maybe your EIN number, your company name. Once you get your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet, that's going to be the number you use in applications as well. But let's talk about the separate legal entity. These are things you're going to want to have before you actually apply for this particular Net 30 account or any Net 30 account. The reason why this is important is this particular supplier reports to Equifax Business. So if your company does not have an Equifax Business credit file yet established, the information you're going to provide to them when you register your company and you apply for the Net 30 account, when they report that to Equifax Business, Equifax Business will then create your company's credit file if you don't have an existing file with them. So that's why you want to make sure you have all your ducks in a row. You want to make sure your company's in good standing. You have the right company name that you're selecting, the right business address. You have your employer identification number, because this is information that they're going to use in creating your company credit file. And it's much more difficult to go back and update if you change your address later on. And we did do a video on that. If you did recently change your address and you need to update, definitely check out this video right here that shows you all the things you need to do when you change your business address. Okay, so you want your business bank account. Although that's not required on the credit application, it's something that you want to have established because many credit applications are going to ask for your business bank account. Okay, so this easy approval Net 30 account is called Coast to Coast Office Supply. This is a new company, a new player in the business credit space to help you build business credit. The website is netofficesupply.com. Don't go there yet, because there's requirements we're going to share with you and what you need to put in there to get the $2,000 credit limit, which is huge. Now, this by far is the easiest Net 30 account that you can get. There's no credit check, no personal guarantee. You could have set up your business today and still get approved. So all you need is an EIN number to apply for this Net 30 account. Of course, you need your business name and your business address, but this is about as easy as it gets as far as requirements. You'll get a Net 30 account, and they'll issue you a $2,000 credit limit to buy their products. Okay. Now, when you go there, I'm going to share with you what you need to do, but don't go there yet. You're going to want to use referral code COSBJZE4. This will trigger the $2,000 credit approval. They know that you're coming from our channel, and this is the easiest way for you to get a positive trade line reporting with Equifax Business, $2,000 Net 30 account. There's no credit check at all, no personal guarantee, and it reports to Equifax Business. So that's how simple this gets, okay? So net30officesupply.com. But let me go over what can you actually use, what can you buy with their Net 30 account, Okay, so they have office supplies, they have software, and they have ebooks. So initially starting out, because you're a brand new customer, they're basically giving you a credit limit with no PG, no credit check, even if you're a brand new startup. So they allow you to buy software and ebooks first with your credit limit. You can't buy the physical office products because that's their second tier. Once you show that you can pay your invoices on time, etc., then they'll extend that ability to buy those physical office products using your credit limit. So starting out, you can buy their software and ebooks. Software they have Norton 360, they have Business Plan Maker, they have Logo Ad Creator, things that you can use to software that can help you with your business. Okay. Ebooks, they have tons of different types of ebooks that you can buy using credit limit, internet marketing, time management, product creation. So this is great also if you're starting up and you need some information on how to launch your business or how to market your business. They have great ebooks. Okay, so let me share with you how it actually works. How do you apply, how this works? You're going to go to net30officesupply.com, and on the website, there's a register for a business account tab. You're going to click on that. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to create your user ID, and this is the referral code you're going to use. So let me take you to their website. Here it is, and you'll see they have all these. They have their digital downloads, which is their ebooks, and they have their software. And you might be saying, well, you know what? I don't want to buy ebooks or I don't want to buy software, but keep in mind, though, this is the easiest Net30 account you can get to get a trade line reporting and get your credit file established with Equifax Business. As you know, Equifax Business is very well known, to be used when you're applying for business loans or business lines of credit. Many lenders will pull an Equifax report, or they'll pull an Experian business report. Dun & Bradstreet caters very much to more Net30s, equipment finance companies, etc. Of course, card issuers also pull DMB as well, but it's important that you have a credit file established with all three major business credit bureaus. Because if you don't and they pull your credit file, let's say a lender or a company that you want to get credit with, you apply, and they pull let's say your Equifax report, and you don't have a credit file with Equifax, then there's nothing for them to assess how your business manages its finances, if your business is creditworthy enough. So if that particular lender or vendor only pulls from Equifax, and you don't have an Equifax report, they're going to require more information. They may want to require a personal credit check or a personal guarantee, etc. So that's why it's important you don't know who they pull from. That's why you want to establish your credit file with the major business credit bureaus. So you're going to click on this Register Business Account tab right here, and that's going to take you to this very easy page. Create your user ID. You create your password, type your password, email address, you verify, and then you're going to put that code that I just talked about right in here. This will let them know to issue the $2,000 credit limit. They know they're coming from our channel here at businesscreditbuilders.org. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go fill in your business information, your address, authorized officer information. So once you do that, then you're going to log into there and you're going to go shopping, and you're going to buy at least $80 worth of product, okay? And you're going to use your credit line. So that's their minimum purchase is $80, and they'll issue you a $2,000 credit limit on Net30 terms. That's as simple as it gets. Now, keep in mind, in using your credit limit, obviously you're going to buy $80 worth of products, but it's important that you use your credit limits often, not with just this account, but also with your other vendors and suppliers. Okay, so now that you have this Net30 account, $2,000 credit limit, it's now reporting to Equifax Business. I want to share with you how to take that same account and now get it reporting to Ansonia and Credit Safe. Okay, because remember, every Net30 account that you have, or a utility account that you have, you should focus on maximizing that one account to report to as many business credit bureaus as possible. Okay, so there's a service, and this is not a service we offer, this is a service we recommend, that allows you to report your utility payments and also your Net30 accounts to the major business credit bureaus. And this is called a manual verification. Okay, so you're going to want to go to businesscreditbuilderservices.com. It costs $49.95 to set up this Lyft account, and it's $9.95 a month. Okay, this $10 a month reports to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Commercial. So that's a positive trading line you're getting just for having this service. Now, this service allows you to link up your utility accounts. Okay, so like your mobile cell phone, your cable service, your internet service, but these services have to be in your company's name. It can't be in your personal name. If they're in your company's name, you can set an unlimited number of utility accounts in your company's name, and they'll report those payments, and they'll go back up to 24 months of payment history and report it to Equifax Business, Credit Safe, and Insonia. Now, an additional service they have with this Lyft account is they also have what's called manual verification. So this is where you're going to add your account here with Coast to Coast Supply in your Lyft account. Now they're going to charge you $19.95 to verify that you have this Coast to Coast Office Supply Net 30 account. And once they verify it, they're going to report it to Insonia and Credit Safe. They're not going to report it to Equifax because it's already being reported to Equifax from coast to coast. Okay, so this is how you get that one $2,000 Net 30 account reporting to not just Equifax, but also to Insonia, which is another business credit bureau, and Credit Safe, which is another business credit bureau. Okay, so that's just a powerful way. Now, one thing I want to point out, when you pay this $19.95, they're verifying that Net 30 account one time. Okay, so they're verifying that you have it and that you've, let's say, you made your one purchase with it. But if you, let's say 3 or 4 months down the road, make 2 or 3 more purchases, you're going to have to pay another $19.95 if you want them to update your company credit file and verify those additional purchases and additional payment history. So just keep that in mind. When it comes to manual verification, they only verify the account one time and your payment history that you have with them currently. They don't report ongoing payments unless you pay another $19.95. Okay, so I just want to point that out to you. So I just share with you a very easy approval Net 30 account you can get for your new business. And for those of you who are looking for more ways to build business credit, you want access to more vendors, suppliers, retailers, gas cards, charge cards, business credit cards, etc., that will build your business credit. Definitely check out our step-by-step business credit building system. You could go to businesscreditbuilders.org. And on this website, you'll also see our funding products. We have done for you funding. We actually acquire funding for you. We have our business credit card funding program where we acquire business credit cards that report to the business credit bureaus. We also have lines of credit and loans, etc. And those are done for you services. So definitely, if you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. That way you're notified every time we come out with a new video. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.